Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to email Progressive Insurance. This is very useful when you need help with claims, billing issue or policy update. Now you can reach out to them using the official website, and you can either call them or send an email, or you can start by opening your email. Now enter the official Progressive Support email address, which you can find on their official website. Next, write a clear subject line like insurance claim request or policy update inquiry so your email is easily identified. In the message section, briefly explain your issue. Include your policy number if available and make sure your explanation is simple and direct. If required, attach any supporting documents such as images, receipts, or forms. Once everything is ready, send the email and wait for the response, which usually comes within a few business days. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.